Assalamualaikum. I Section of Science, Safety Information and Event Management in the project we are first. Thank you to Mr. Michael Fani as project manager. The next our team first Kavi, Alvito Mahendra, Aristo Danang Jolanggoro, and Dr. Tatiana. Our project description is development of the architect CM infrastructure with digital system application, development and implementation of SLG SOP, development of web application for testbeds, implementation of system and network administration, attack and defense scenario. In this topology, user access from the internet first stop the OpenSense firewall as the main gateway that performs the train map and case detection using security data. Traffic is forwarded to the Nginx web server in the DNS zone, with then communication with the MySQL database in an asserted internal network. All system activities and log are central monitored by Wazoo as a security operation center. This slide shows the network interface configuration on the OpenSense firewall. The one interface used as the connection path to the internet. This slide shows the network interface configuration on the OpenSense firewall. The one interface is used as the connection path to the internet, while LAN, web, database, and Wazoo have different IP address and subnet. The firewall is configured with the principle of least privilege, where only necessary traffic is allowed. The web server is only allowed to access the database and Wazoo, while the database cannot be accessed direct from other network.
After successful login in dashboard, on the left in user dashboard designed for a clean shopping experience. On the right is the admin dashboard display real-time sales statistic and order summaries. Next, and these user features, customer can browse the product display, easily place order via the order form, and track their transaction status transparent. And then admin feature, admin can view the complete order list, verify transaction token for security, and update order status in complete with a single click.
In this implementation, Wazoo is used as a security monitoring and detection system with 3 active agents installed on web server, database server, and OpenSense. On the database server, the Wazoo agent sends log for the MySQL service. Wazoo detects data modification active in the form of update user comments, which are categorized as database integrity and database attack with a high severity level, indicating potential dangerous or unauthorized data change. On the web server, Wazoo received a web access log and successfully detected cross-site scripting attack through URL requests containing malicious script. These attacks are classified as web attack and mapped to Mitra attack. On the OpenSense, Wazoo analyzed the network log and detect denial of service attack attempt, namely as possible as SDP amplification scan, although the traffic was recorded as a low. This event was still classified as an attempt DOS with medium severity and served as an early warning of a network trip.
In this slide, there is a logbook that we have been running for one semester. We have archived 90% of our goal and to reach 100%. We only need to address a few issues, which my friend will explain later. At the end of the semester, we were able to send several log alerts that will be sent to the Wazoo dashboard.
The issue of the project, SSL and TSL, has not yet been implemented on the connection between the database and the web application. 2. Traffic from Cloudflare has not passed through the firewall. 3. The port on the firewall has not been specifically defined in the roles. Division of the text. Network and system admin, setting up network infrastructure, firewall configuration, Nginx, and Tailscan VPN. Database and web developer, responsible for developing in the web testbed application, managing the MySQL database and recording activity logs. CM and security engineer, responsible for configuration Wazoo as a CM, integrating log and analyzing attack result. Documentation and analysis, responsible for testing the system, monitoring the CM dashboard, and preparing the project report and documentation. The next plan. Network and system admin, configure Cloudflare traffic to pass through the firewall and set specific port restriction to firewall rules to improve filtering, monitoring, and access security. Database and web developer, implement SSL and TLS encryption on the connection between the database and web application to enhance data security during transmission.
Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.